Oh, you've lost it.
He's off.
Oh. Oh no! And Murray.
I guess the look I'm best known for is blue steel.
What's that look like?
Here we have the man that is Darren Mortimer, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet, and he's gone to sleep. You fucking lightweight.
I'm surprised you're allowed bait boats down there.
Oh, mate. Don't do that.
Come on.
Oh, I'm Murray, pleased to meet you.
How you doing, Muzzer?
You alright? You caught it too early. Man, sorry.
Harry going fishing. That's his wash bag. Look. Harry's wash bag.
Mate, how are you going to use that? You're going to dump it in the lake?
Well, I've got some bottles of water in there.
We're going to have to pour it all over.
Oh, fucking tremendous.
That's the point, then. You stop fucking about it.
Cheers, mate. Well, fucking, yeah, friendship with him. Kicks you in the face.
You don't fucking turn up, then, what are you?
Bosses.
Mate, they're bosses. Did you also go and catch them? Yeah, just do a 2-day one. 3 days.
Yes, sir.
Right, boys, we ready? Are we ready? Right, gladiators, ready.
Oh, it comes, isn't it? Is it right under that tree? Is that videoing? Oh, you go. Now you're videoing. Sorry, mate. Brilliant. Sorry about that. I missed half of it. Is the flash on? I don't know. Oh, is it? Good. You're kicking back a little bit there. Oh, that is kicking back. Look. Is that the fresh one you just put back out?
No, it's a different one.
Well done, mate.
Cheers, matey.
Smile, please. Oh, that don't help, mate. Yeah, we'll come back to this and the next is taking forever.
Oh, bloody round there.
Not a bit of you, is it?
Ain't it like it's a better fish, mate?
Hold on a bit.
I'm going to draw a 20. Get up, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, marlin fishing.
Cunt. There we go.
Oh no, no in it.
No?
17.8.
Smile, well done. More, maybe. Oh, yeah. It's the fucking same one again, isn't it?
I think I remember before.
Nice one. Is it on that one?
I'm over it.
Yeah, more, maybe. Oh, yeah. Has he actually looked a seagull?
Get zoomed in on that.
Why? Has he actually looked up a seagull?
Yeah.
Really?
Do you want to land in there, Harry?
Fuck's sake.
What do you call it, Harry?
Seagull.
You call it seagull?
I've caught a seagull. Fuck's sake. Come on.
But you're just going to have to reel him in. I'll get a net and see if we can... Is he actually hooked? No, he's got the lines just caught over his leg.
Yeah.
Alright.
Go on, boy. Oh, you've lost it.
He's off.
Oh,
Didn't snap your line, did it? Yeah. Oh, fucking hell.
I'm more gutted than you are.
Right, to be fair, that's...
I'm wild.
That was the...
We're like what?
That's quite nice, mate.
That's a nice one.
Something on draw 20.
Nice. Nice fish.
Yeah, nice fish.
Fuck, 20.
He's just left it on there. Do
Yeah, no.
you want me to take something, mate? What do you want me to take?
No, nothing. Just gonna hold that. We'll get everything set up. And
I'll fall over that thing one more.
But the thing is, if you've got a long enough pole. What? Ben, I've already all put
I'll chop in the footage there. Can't look big.
I fucking love it. There we go. It ain't tiny, is it? Ready?
Well, fucking hell, they get bigger as you.
Bigger, isn't it?
They get bigger as you have a look at them in the net.
Are we weighing that? We're gonna have to, aren't we? Ready?
Why are they all fighting now?
I don't know.
Fuck. Well done.
Help it in. Don't film out.
No,
That's 20 plus. Look at it.
and they're getting bigger, aren't they?
Yeah.
We're just getting used to looking at fucking nice fish. Oh yes, boy. Yeah. Okay, right, we've got a new one. Oh, it's ridiculous.
Fuck me, you can't use them.
Oh shit.
How are you gonna do this?
Right, where we at?
Oh no, I'm 20. So it's 21, 21, 8, 22, 23, 24. That's saying 21.8. 21. Take a picture of it now. Yes.
Muzza, into one at last.
Literally, as he's walking
Smile, Muzza, look.
your fucking rod seat is bending into the other.
What, no alarm going off?
Walking around the thing, I'm like, you're in, mate. And it's like, huh? With the rod's just bending into the other one. Like,
No
alarm going off.
Oh, no. And Murray, and I've got your face on camera. Oh no. Muzza, just while we're on camera, how do you feel?
Yeah, good.
Oh,
Yeah, good feeling.
that might take best video. Sorry, mate.
Yeah, it might.
No. Bought a 40 quid tripod, left my missus' car.
Or Parker.
Parker's did, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I fucking heard that.
Delete that bit out.
What should I say?
Have you not printed?
We're not. Done.
Suck it and see.
Ready?
It wasn't a whitewash though, was it?
There'll be music playing during this.
Well done, Waldo.
Well done, Wobble.
Well, Wobble, no, I didn't catch anything.
But doing something safe about this.
As the wind comes off it.
Yeah, imagine it.
Yeah.
So bang.